Hi, I'm Kristen Cologne, and today I'm going to show you how to properly color match a client when they come in for hair extensions. My model, Tanya, has quite a bit of blended color. So in our consultation today, Tanya expressed that she does use a lot of hot tools on her hair. So I was able to see that she does have a little bit of damage. So what we wanted to do was not only give her a nice blend of color, but add some pops of blondes without actually having to do any kind of chemical treatment on them. But wearing the extensions is also going to give her some help to the integrity of her hair over the use of wearing the extensions. So I'm gonna show you two different options of how we can either match her in more of a highlight, low light effect, but also how to create a little more depth going through and some brighter pops of blonde on the ends. For a natural color match, we want to look at her ends, so we're going to use our light brown and golden blonde, number 8 and 23, to really blend in with the colors that she has. I'm going to put one on top of the other just so it gives it a really nice blend. So now we want to give a different styling to add more dimension and pops of blonde to her ends. So we're going to go to the back of her head. This is the darkest area of the hair color naturally, so we want to make sure that we give a proper matching. So this is our 5/23. This is going to blend in seamlessly with the color that she already has existing in her hair. To add a pop of that blonde we were discussing, we're going to do the 6/24, and that's going to give a little more brightness to the color. All right, to really give a proper blend to our color melts, we want to add in a neutral that we're seeing throughout the blend of colors that's already existing in her hair. So what we're going to do is add the color 8 to the two color melts to really give a soft, seamless blend. All right, so we chose our three colors during our color matching. We have our 5/23, we chose our color number 8, and our 6/24. We have 3 packs because what we're gonna do is blend each color together, say a 5/23 and an 8 together, and then maybe an 8 and a 6/24 to create a lot of dimension, give that brightness of blonde on the ends that we were talking about. And we also chose 14 to 16 inches as our length because we want it to really blend in with the existing length of her hair. All right, so we're gonna start with our brighter colors on the bottom, our 6/24, and we're gonna pair that up with an 8. That's gonna keep her lighter on bottom, and we're gonna work our way up, adding in some of those depths of the 5/23 as well. So as you can see, we're already creating some of that blonde tones without having to go through and pre-lighten her hair.